Good morning. It's Tuesday, September 14th, 2021. This is episode 376 of Ukulele from My Bed. Last few months, I've been listening to an old-time string band named the Real-Time Travelers. They actually broke up more than a decade ago. I'm just now getting around to them. Most of their songs were written by their guitarist and lead singer, Martha Scanlon. And this is one of them. It's got kind of a cool claw hammer vibe, and I thought I'd try it out. It's called Little Bird of Heaven. I let out from your back door, kicked an old can 50 miles or more, written right there on the side of the can, little bird of heaven right there in your hand. I looked up and I looked back, walked 100 miles down the railroad track. All's I can tell from where I stand, the little bird of heaven right there in your hand. Love, they tell me, is a fragile thing. It's hard to fly on broken wings. I lost my ticket to the promised land, little bird of heaven right there in my hand. So toss it up or pass it round, pay no mind to what you're carrying round, or keep it close, hold it while you can, little bird of heaven right there in my hand. Fallen hearts and fallen leaves, starlings light in the broken trees. I find we all need a place to land, a little bird of heaven right there in my hand. So toss it up or pass it round, pay no mind to what you're carrying round, keep it close, hold it while you can, little bird of heaven right there in your hand. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.